What is going on, everybody? It is Mike. Welcome back to Tech 24/7 TV. I'm really glad that you're here today because we are unboxing the MagSafe Duo Charger from Apple. This is $130. It is on Apple's website. It's available now, and this is a MagSafe charger for your iPhone and your Apple Watch. It features USB-C on the plug end, and it has Lightning on the actual charger end. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in the box. That sweet sound of opening up a new accessory. So there is your first look at the MagSafe Duo Charger. Now this is, oh wow, it's magnetic. That's interesting. Well, so I know it's magnetic. I say that jokingly, but it's magnetic in the fact that when it closes like this, I thought it would be flimsy. That's actually surprising that it's not. So this is really two halves, and it closes very easily. Now let's go ahead and open this up. This is going to be the MagSafe side for your iPhone, and this is going to be for your Apple Watch. Now this will actually pivot 90 degrees to go ahead and accommodate an Apple Watch that has a link bracelet, so you could lay it flat. This is actually really nice. So here's going to be the Lightning portion, and they do give you a Lightning cable with this, or Lightning to USB-C cable, excuse me. But I bet they don't include a charger. No, they don't. Let's see what else is in the box. So we have the Lightning charger. Okay, that's a given. And here we have safety and handling procedures, because, you know, safety is a difficult thing to do. So no Apple stickers inside of the box. Now you do have to use a 20-watt charger with this in order for this to go ahead and work. It's got the nice embossed Apple logo. And it opens up. Now let's go ahead and plug this in and see how the magic happens. Now what I'm going to do here is actually I'm going to go ahead and see if I can use this travel charger that I have. Boom. All right. That nice MagSafe charging sound. And what I'm going to do here is, yep, and it works. It's very simple. Now here's a question. I have an iPhone charger, or an iPhone 11 Pro Max battery. Let's see if it'll charge this. So it does connect to the magnets. I could feel it. Oh, maybe it doesn't. But this should be Qi charging compatible. Well, let's see here. It doesn't work with that. Here's an iPhone 8 that has wireless charging, and it looks like it just missed the spot. Yeah, so it is charging the iPhone 8. It should charge this. I don't know why it's not. But this, I would say, is, again, $129. It's a little bit, I think, too simple for my taste, but I think there are certainly people that would like this, who like that minimalistic design. Let's see, try and charge this again. If it charges this, it should charge. Yeah, there it is. So it will work on a non-iPhone 12 device. It just won't charge it as quickly. I think that would be the downside, or the downside of using it with that type of device. But like I said, here's an iPhone 8. It'll go ahead and charge that. You see, yeah, it's changes charging. So this will work with any device that is Qi charging compatible, but it will also go ahead and MagSafe charge your iPhone 12, 12 Pro, 12 Mini fast. So at a higher rate, so at that 15 watts when available. Now, I think for $129, this is a little overpriced because it's not very elegant for $129. You know, it's very simple, which some people might like the simplicity of it. But for $129, I want something a little bit more substantial, I think, laying on my nightstand. But I could understand where some people would like this kind of minimalistic design. If you have an iPhone and an Apple Watch and you're looking for a way to go ahead and charge your iPhone and your Apple Watch at the same time, this is a pretty good solution, minus the fact that I think that it's a little bit, maybe a little underwhelming to be $129. I think something more like $99 would probably be more reasonable for this. Again, it does look good. It does have high degree of fit and finish. I just don't think $129 is worth it for me. Now, let me know what you think about that. I am Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV. Make sure you are subscribed. Turn on notifications because I have a lot of other content planned that's going to hit the channel soon, and you don't want to miss it, especially accessory videos for all those people in your life this holiday season, and some home automation stuff that I'm working on with the HomePod Mini. I am Mike. This is Tech 24/7 TV. I'll talk to you in the next one.